Hello future medicos, I am Atharva, a third year MBBS student and welcome to Skills in Scrubs. We will be discussing tips and tricks to crack your NEET UG exam on 4th of May. I know it's stressful और साथ में आपको board exams भी देने हैं, so it's double stressful. So how to handle your boards and your NEET UG exams we'll learn today. So let's begin with today's video. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई नो जब 4 महीने बच जाते हैं या फिर 3 महीने बच जाते हैं तो यू गाइज मेक अ टाइम टेबल विच इज अनरियलिस्टिक. डोंट मेक दैट. मेक अ रियलिस्टिक टाइम टेबल विच यू कैन फॉलो विथ योर कंसिस्टेंसी. सो always divide your time properly with equal weightage to your subjects. Give 2 hours to your biology, 2 hours to your chemistry and 2 hours to your physics. After that, you will be saying like it's just a 6 hours timetable and we have 24 hours. So don't worry, I have more things for you. Always go with one mock test each day. Now it's practice time. You have to practice more. So practice one mock test each day. It will cover 3 hours of your day. Next thing you should be doing is revising. Give proper revision to each subject. That's the must thing you should be doing. As I have already said you will be giving 3 hours of your day to previous year questions and mock tests. So try to solve previous year questions. As the NEET pattern has been evolving from the previous 8 to 10 years, you should be practicing all the previous year questions. Search for the questions which have been repeated more number of times and try that you will be solving those questions within a minute or max to max 1 minute and 15 seconds to 20 seconds. Don't waste more than that. If you are wasting more than time on that question, leave those questions because they will be consuming the time that other 2 questions could have taken and you could have scored 8 marks instead of 4 marks. So practice smartly. Analyze your practice test and make sure that you know what are your good areas, what are your weak areas. The weak areas need more focus, so focus on them. Make sure to solve that mock test within 2 hours and 45 minutes. Leave those 15 minutes for extra work. As I have already told you, during exam you will be disturbed by the invigilator on time by time. So leave those 15 minutes. Try to cover your exam within 2 hours 45 minutes. Remember, biology is the best thing a NEET UG aspirant can be at. Remember, 90 questions is equal to 360 marks and I have seen people score 360 out of 360 in biology. So focus more on biology. It is the easiest subject. You need to go through NCERT line by line for biology. Nothing comes out of the NCERT textbook. So focus on NCERT textbook and biology more compared to other subjects. Focus on smart study. You should be studying smartly rather than studying hard. I have seen people study for 16 hours, 18 hours, but still scoring less than people studying only for 10 to 12 hours a day. So focus on smart study. What is smart study? So make flashcards for your formulas, reactions and all those things which are short but you can't remember them. So make their flashcards. Second thing, make mnemonics for all those reactions, all those things which are lengthy and you are not able to remember them. I know that periodic table is such a vast table, but mnemonics makes it easy to remember. Similarly, make mnemonics for the reactions, make mnemonics for the uses of some metals or the metalloids, or make mnemonics for each and everything that you feel difficult to remember. The last thing for today, and as always I have been saying you, is to focus on your health. A good health will give you a boost during your revision time. So get good amount of sleep and focus on your healthy diet, healthy habits. I would suggest get at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep. I know 8 hours seems too big, but please at least get 5 to 6 hours of sleep. That will be great during these last few months. If you have studied for previous 2 years, I know these months will be so much stressful, so focus on managing your stress also. But to learn more such tips and tricks, follow me and subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video with more tips and tricks and how to crack your NEET with minimal effort and minimal stress. Stay tuned for more.